Hey guys, the Gadget Man here, and I am sorry for interrupting your video. I'll promise I'll let you get right back to it. I just want your ear for a couple of seconds. Well, guys, us creators, we work hard to create good content for you, and there's almost no reward in it for us. We do it because we want to be helpful. But guys, there is a way that you can actually give creators a tip, and that is through the YouTube feature called Super Thanks, which is right here. Now, unfortunately, a lot of people don't know about it or can't find it because YouTube hasn't made it easy to find. On a desktop, it's actually right here, but on a laptop, sometimes it's hidden behind these three little dots over here, and you have to click on it to see the thanks. And sometimes on a smartphone, you also have to scroll over to the side in order to actually find the Super Thanks button. Guys, this is a way for you to tell creators that you really appreciate what they're doing and how hard they work. And I'll tell you what, I personally would be very appreciative if you would consider giving me a tip as well. Okay, guys, until next time, this is the Gadget Man signing out.